Hello children. Today we continue our first lesson, that is mathematics of standard 6. So children, kindly open your book, page number 10. Today we discuss about conversion of units. Length and mass and capacity also be there. So first one is length, second one is mass, third one is capacity. You can see here easily, you can understand. First, length. For length, we use these units: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, and these are the short form. Then for weight, we use these units: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram, and these are the short form. Then comes to capacity. For capacity, we use these units: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, and these are the short form. So children, you noticed one thing: all this kilo, hecto, deca, gram, deci, centi, milli all are same. For length we use meter, for weight we use gram, for capacity we use liter, then rest are all same. So see one table and see properly this table. This is one table here given for length. If you understood easily this table, you can solve other two tables. That is tables for weight, tables for capacity. So this table, you see 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer, 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter, 1 decameter equal to 10 meter, 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, then 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. When we move from higher to lower units, means this one is the highest units, kilometer, and this one is the lowest unit, millimeter. So when we move from highest to lowest, we multiply with 10. Then when we move from lower to higher units, we divided by 10. For example, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. Means 1 multiply 10 is 10 hectometer. When we convert 1 kilometer to decameter, 10 multiply 10 equal to 100 decameter. So 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. If we convert from 1 meter to centimeter, 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, and this 10 and this 10 multiply, then 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So like this, when we move from higher to lower, we multiply with 10, and when we move from lower to higher, we divided by 10. See, this is another table: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. When we move from left to right, means higher to lower, we multiply with 10, 10, 10. So children, I will ask you one question. Can you tell me? If 1 decameter equal to 100 meter, then 1 decameter equal to how much decimeter? Can you answer me? Yes, 1 decameter equal to 100 decimeter. How? This 10 and this 10 we multiply because we move from higher to lower. So 1 decameter equal to 100 decimeter. So children, when we move from lower to higher, so 1 millimeter equal to how much centimeter? 1 by 10 centimeter. Then 1 millimeter equal to how much decimeter? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 1 by 100 decimeter. Like this you continue. So same thing you follow another two tables, that is for weight and capacity. Already here written the units name. Instead of meter you write gram for weight table. Instead of meter you write liter for capacity. So comes to some examples. Silpa bought 12 meter 50 centimeter cloth of one kind of and another kind is this much. What is the question? Find the total length of the cloth bought by Silpa. Total means children, you do simple addition. First kind of cloth and second kind of cloth. You do addition. Next page you turn. Next page, example 25. This example is Hardi bought this much cloth from a shop and she used. So total cloth is this much and she used this much. Then how much cloth was left? Left means you do simple subtraction. A shopkeeper has 500 kg of sugar. He sells 45 kg sugar on each day. Find how much sugar was left after the sale of 8 days. So total sugar is this much. He sells sugar for 1 day is this much. And we have to calculate in 8 days how much sugar he sells. So we multiply with 8 and 45. 1 day he sold sugar this much. 8 days he sold this much. Then total sugar is this much and how much sugar he sold. Then you subtract and you find out how much sugar was left. Then example 27. Saurabh runs 2 km 125 meter every day. How much distance will he run in 25 days? So very easy children. 1 day he runs this much and 25 days how much he runs. So just you multiply these two numbers. Last example. A tailor has 61 meter 60 centimeter cloth. He stitched 14 dresses with that cloth. Means he required cloth for 14 dresses this much. And how much cloth was used for stitching one dress? So for one dress how much cloth he stitched? How much cloth he required? Just you do addition. Addition? No. What you do? Division. Because addition you do when total is written. Left. When left is used you do subtraction. But here asking one dress. So you do here division. When you do division you convert the units. Means meter to centimeter. 61 meter 60 centimeter equal to 6160 centimeter. Then you do the division. So children, you read again these examples and this table you see, and your homework is you convert these two tables, weight table and capacity table. So thank you children.